उस्ताद है शहंशाह ज़माने का, सारे लोग झुक जाते हैं इशारे में, तराशे जाते हैं हम कतारों में, तभी तो पाते हैं चमक हज़ारों में। गुल खिलाने का हुनर आता है उन्हें, गुल खिलाने का हुनर आता है उन्हें, तभी तो है उनका अक्स बहारों में।
So here it is, the moment to express our emotions, our feelings, and the gratitude for all what you have done.
Tuition in a school is one of the biggest achievements for every parent. And OLF is a gem among all, the best among best, the creme de la creme.
Luckily, we got the chance to be a part of this amazing family. Blazing sun, sweating little palms, along with the fear of separation from our parents.
But this fear was soon overcome by the comforting arms and soothing hands of our beloved teachers. Strange faces, they all frightened us, but very soon turned into eternal bonds of friendship by the combined efforts of a loving teacher and our beloved DDs.
Here at OLF, every class has been a journey. With lots of memories, lots of fun, we have learned to live life in a new manner.
स्कूल की दो बातें हमेशा याद रहती हैं, पहले दिन टीचर का प्यार, दूसरे दिन माँ। हम आए थे रोते हुए, हम जाएंगे रोते हुए, लेकिन वो बीच में काटे खुशनुमा पल हमेशा याद रहते। ऐसे तो कॉरिडोर 12 मीटर का था, मगर उसे पार करने में हमने पूरे 12 साल लगा दिए।
वो टीचर का हाथ पकड़कर ABCD सिखाना, वो बार बार टॉयलेट के बहाने घूमने जाना, नहीं भूलेंगे हम यहाँ जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
We all are like a saplings of a plant, and the mends and the folds given to it are like the teachings, preachings, and the scoldings of a teacher, which help us to grow and figure out the right path for our lives. And it's a very true saying that Guru Gobind do khade, kaake lagu paye, balihari Guru aapne, Gobind diyo milaye.
रेनी डे का एक्सपेक्टेशन रखना,
वो PT टीचर का एक्सरसाइज ना कराना
एक स्ट्रिक्ट टीचर का डर,
और उसी टीचर का प्यार,
याद रहेगा ये सब हमें हमेशा। Our teachers, our friends, our lessons and our school. We have forged an everlasting bond with you. Dear teachers and school, you have made us what we are, and we thank you for it from the bottom of our hearts.
There are lots of stories untold, lots of mysteries unraveled, and it's our destiny to find them.
रोता है दिल हमारा ये सोचकर, कुछ ही दिन बचे हैं इस गुलिस्तान में।
फिर कहाँ मिलेगी ये बहार, जा तो रहे हैं हम यहाँ से, मगर याद रहेंगे वो पल।
जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर हम आपको याद रखेंगे,
जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर हम आपको याद रखेंगे।
ऐसे लाजवाब उस्तादों को हमारा सलाम।
Life is a precious gift, wrapped up in folds of opportunities, and we need our teachers to unwrap it in the best possible way.
All those moments enjoyed, the late completion of homework in a light period, the eating of lunches just before lunch, all those moments we shall cherish forever and wish to relive them again and again.
The fear of Hindi and English recitation, the burden of an extra subject was waived by the combined efforts of our dear teachers.
Dear teachers, you all have given us heaps of memories which we will never forget. Those memories will last in our hearts forever.
The teachers who play one of the most vital roles in shaping our personality, our career, our character as a human being. Right from kindergarten and through high school, it is our teachers who act as guiding light for us. No one can imagine our life and this phase of our life without our teachers.
जिंदगी को जीना सिखाया उस्ताद ने,
उठने बैठने का सलीका सिखाया उस्ताद ने,
गमों में हंसना सिखाया उस्ताद ने,
इंसान को मुकम्मल बनाया उस्ताद ने। उस्ताद कौन है?
जिसने घर के बाहर माँ बाप का फर्ज अदा किया,
जिसने शमा की तरह जलकर पूरे ज़माने को रोशन किया,
जिसने नन्हे हाथों को लिखना सिखाया,
जिसने बेजुबां को बोलना सिखाया,
वही उस्ताद,
वही उस्ताद।
All the great efforts you made to build and groom us,
for all the precious time you gave us,
for all the love and care,
for the guidance here and there,
Dear teachers, on behalf of all the students of Our Lady of Fatima School, we thank you from the core of our hearts.
May God bless your lives with heaps of happiness.
Lights, camera, action. Happy Teachers Day.